Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate Gmail of Google Workspace in Squarespace DNS records. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google. You can continue with their business or working email. Or you know what, you just click on the more options here so that you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are in the admin section of your Google Workspace, activating Gmail is a part of Google Workspace through the Squarespace DNS records offers several advantages and reasons to do so. Number one, well, Google Workspace, or formerly G Suite, provides professional email addresses with your domain. Say, for example, in my channel, that's going to be andyguide at andyguide.com. Now, this creates a more credible and trustworthy impression for your business compared to the generic email services. Now, for you to be able to activate Gmail of Google Workspace in Squarespace DNS records, now from the left side panel of your admin account, just go here at billing, click on it, just go here under billing, which is going to be your account, click on it and click on the account settings and go to domains, and obviously click on manage domains. Now obviously click on manage domains. Now once you are here, all you're going to do, if your Gmail is not yet verified, because in my case it's already activated. Now, if in your case it's not activated, just click on the setup redirect and just follow the on-screen instructions, okay? Now, the next step is go to your Squarespace account and you need to go to the account dashboard. And from here, just go to the settings option right here. And then go to domains. And click on the get a domain, or from here click on the settings option in the lower left corner, click on domains and emails, and from here click on domains, and from here click on the domain that you wanted and click on the DNS option. Right, if you can see in the DNS section here, click on edit. Now if you move forward, just go to the custom records, and from there you need to create the 5 records of Gmail, and basically that's to activate Gmail of Google Workspace on Squarespace DNS records. Matter of fact, when you go back, you also have the option to Google Workspace here, and obviously just follow the on-screen instructions. All right, and thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.